Shri Balasaheb Darade, a former NASA scientist, eminent philosopher and thinker, an award-winning public policy expert, an innovator, advisor to governments, political leaders, corporates and NGOs. He is a recognized public speaker and leader. He is known for transforming and leading organizations with innovations, public-private partnerships, and effective implementation of the large-scale programs at the grassroots level. A versatile problem solver with expertise in identifying innovative solutions. After having a successful career as an entrepreneur, a consultant, and nanotechnologist in the USA, he is returning to the villages of India for rural development. He has been a public speaker, elected leader, and he has been appreciated for his valuable contribution to the masses. He has worked with Dr APJ Abdul Kalam, who has inspired him to work on nation building and his journey back to the roots.
The empathy is very important and basis for the compassion, kindness, love, and peace that we are that we want to build. I'm not going to go too much into detail, but first is self-awareness, then self-management, from autopilot to aware to being responsive, and then this empathy is about others and environment. But once you are able to observe your own emotions, then as you saw the mirror effect, you are able to see others' emotions as well, others' feelings as well. So by switch is here. That's why we say the center of universe. We are the center of universe. So whatever the switch, so we have that once you tap to that inner intelligence, it is a part of the collective intelligence, that is the power that control is with us. This is true north is related to leadership. I mean, finding our because you are leaders of the organizations and you are now leading for such a noble cause and mission started by Professor Vishwanath Karad. So this is very important, like your own true north aligning with the mission of the organization, and to do that job, whatever job you have, that natural intelligence, inner intelligence is within you. The only thing is when you are off that, you are not in control, you are in stress, that goes away. So, but guiding force is your true north, which is, so self-awareness is very important for that. So if one's mind has a peace, then whole world will appear peaceful. So, so the peace begins with our own self. Your own self-realization is greatest service you can render to the world. And this has been my own journey, that starting from first I was into too much doing things outside, because in politics, in social service, when I moved back from US, adopted 22 villages in Vidarbha for sustainable rural development, then got into politics for the developmental politics. So that outside journey was going on, but I realized that our own self-realization, our own transformation, it is the most important, and that is the only way. So, and with my, next speaker, who is my partner, we met in United Nations first couple of years back when we were both speaking in UN, and she has been my partner, friend, philosopher, and guide on this path. So we are now together. The mission is how we can help in living this and realizing this. So we felt very good when we first met Dr. Karad and saw the vision, how the organization is moving towards, because it is rare for an engineering scientific organization to work on the spiritual path. So this is a good unique setting that you have got. You have the outside environment, you have to work on your own inner journey, and that is That is the most important journey that, and everyone, we have all the resources, access. The journey is a short journey, right? Rather than going outside, it is the shortest journey. And I can fully, with full awareness and full confidence, and being worked in science, being worked with renowned scientists in US. This inner journey has been very, very peaceful, very transformative, and you can see that when there is a love here, when there is a peace here, the love, compassion, and kindness is outside. So love is the highest form of intelligence or compassion. Love is the highest form of compassion. So first moving from kindness, compassion, and love, and peace. So, and that is our true nature. Any emotion or any thought which is not love, peace, compassion is not the true, it is not our true nature, and thoughts will come. I mean, everybody know that thoughts do keep come, but you have the power, you have the choice to act on that thought. So if that thought is not of the love, peace, joy, compassion, that is not the thought that needs to be acted upon. So thank you very much, and I will give okay. So, thank you.